Hello, my name is Ju Kim. I'm a heart failure and transplant cardiologist and the Associate Medical Director of the Cardiac Intensive Care Unit here at Houston Methodist.
And I'm Dr. Imad Hussain, heart failure and transplant cardiologist and Program Director of the Advanced Heart Failure and Transplant Cardiology Fellowship at Houston Methodist. This one-day summit offers continuing medical education and nursing credits and is designed for physicians, physician assistants, nurse practitioners, nurses, and other healthcare professionals in cardiology. It is also geared towards people in internal medicine and family practice, and we also encourage residents and fellows in training to attend.
The summit provides a comprehensive update on the prevention, diagnosis, and management of heart failure. It's an exciting opportunity to learn directly from both national and Houston Methodist experts through lectures, panel discussions, and case-based presentations. These sessions will cover the most recent treatments for chronic heart failure, with a particular focus this year on the evaluation and management of both cardiac and non-cardiac comorbidities, including nutrition, sleep apnea, kidney, and liver disease.
Plan to join us for this comprehensive and invaluable Houston Heart Failure Summit. We look forward to seeing you in Houston, Texas in February 2023.